You may increasingly find that clients will send you portrait filmed footage to include in a standard 16:9 edit. The most common technique traditionally in TV and broadcast is to use the same clip, blurred and enlarged, as a background to fill the frame. To achieve this, first create a copy of your portrait clip and place it on the video channel directly above with the same timings. In Effect Controls, scale up your background portrait clip to fill the frame. You may also want to move its vertical position up or down to keep the main point of interest in the frame as well. In Effects, search for Gaussian Blur, drag and drop this effect onto your clip and increase its strength to around 50. Depending on the footage, you may need to increase or decrease the amount of blur. Play back your clip, and now the portrait footage should fit more naturally to the eye when played along regular 16:9 clips. This is a technique you can also use with square resolution footage or even older, smaller 16:9 resolutions.